Hey there, so I wanted to do a couple more videos showing you how to put these bins together. And like I said in my previous video, when you receive these bins in the box, they will be folded like this to fit in the box. Now you can see on here, hope the video catches it, there are creases where they fold. So when you get it, you can just lay it flat in front of you and fold one side and the other to get those creased even more. And then you just fold each flap here, take this, fold it inside, and then push. And there's a little slot here at the bottom, you'll notice. So that side, and then on the front, you just take it, fold that over, and put that little slot in there as well. See? And once they're together, they do not come apart unless you physically pull these pieces out. So let me do one more. I'm running out of room. And like I said, when you get them, they will look like this. And that's all there is to it. When it comes to the dividers that go into these bins, those come just like this. They do have creases in the cardboard where you will fold them. And to use these, you just stick them in there. You can use them with the white side forward, or if you want, you can use them with the round side forward. Doesn't really matter. All right, that's it. Thanks.